Law enforcement organization and administration, interagency approach. 100 review questions.
Are you ready? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for free reviewer. 1.
The number of police units systematically arranged for some purpose or objective. A. Police organization. B. Delegation of authority. C. Organize. D. Organizing. A. Police organization.
2.
The one established in all police stations throughout the country to administer and attend to cases involving crimes against chastity, sexual harassment, abuses committed against women and children, and other similar offenses. A. Information Center. B. Interrogation Room. C. Women's Desk. D. VIP Desk. C. Women's Desk.
3.
The Regional Appellate Board shall have appellate jurisdiction over cases decided by the following except A. PNP Regional Director. B. Mayor. C. Chief PNP. D. PLEB. C. Chief PNP.
4.
The PNP member facing a criminal case. A. Accused. B. A respondent. C. Defendant. D. Plaintiff. A. Accused.
5.
The entry to the Internal Affairs Service shall be A. Compulsory. B. Optional. C. Voluntary. D. Mandatory. C. Voluntary.
6.
The head of the National Office of Internal Affairs Services. A. Military. B. Neophyte. C. Civilian. D. PNP member. C. Civilian.
7.
The meaning of the word quasi. A. As if. B. At least. C. Original. D. Certified. A. As if.
8.
The promotion of a policeman due to exhibited acts of conspicuous courage and gallantry at the risk of her life above and beyond the call of duty. A. Regular promotion. B. Special promotion. D. Posthumous promotion. C. Ordinary promotion. B. Special promotion.
9.
The act of elevating personnel from a lower to a higher rank or position, either by regular or special process. A. Promotion. B. Elevation. C. Demotion. D. Appointment. A. Promotion.
10.
The definition of void ab initio. A. Void unless declared otherwise. B. Void at its face. C. Void from the beginning. D. Void is declared as such. C. Void from the beginning.
11.
The set of police officers should be under the control of only one superior police officer. A. Unity of objective. B. Scalar principle. C. Unity of command. D. Span of control. C. Unity of command.
12.
The maximum tenure of regional director. A. 2 years. B. For years. C. 6 years. D. 8 years. C. 6 years.
13.
The removal from the service other than the waiver program or attainment of compulsory retirement age 56 years of age. A. Attrition. B. Separation. C. Retirement. D. Dismissal. A. Attrition.
14.
The removal from PNP service of a police officer who is 47 years of age and served 17 years in the service due to non-compliance of the minimum education requirement within the period provided by law. A. Demotion. B. Separation. C. Divorce. D. Retirement. B. Separation.
15.
The requirement that is continuing in character. A. Age. B. Height. C. Weight. D. Marital status. C. Weight. The requirement that is continuing in character. A. Age. B.
16.
Height. C. Weight. D. Marital status. B. The financial service.
17.
The following are examples of incapacity of the chairperson, except A. Death. B. Permanent disqualification. C. Illness. D. Marriage. D. Marriage.
18.
The maximum term of office of regular members of NAPOLCOM. A. 2 years. B. For years. C. 6 years. D. 8 years. C. 6 years.
19.
The number of all regular members of NAPOLCOM. A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. D. 8. B. 4.
20.
The following are characteristics of the PNP except A. Highly efficient and competent police force. B. Civilian in character. C. Administered and controlled by a national police commission. D. Local in scope. D. Local in scope.
21.
The number of staff services of NAPOLCOM. A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. C. 7.
22.
The Regional Office of Internal Affairs Service is headed by A. Director. B. Superintendent. C. Supervisor. D. General Supervisor. A. Director.
23.
The minor offenses shall refer to any act or omission not involving moral turpitude, but affecting the internal discipline of the PNP, shall include the following except A. Simple misconduct or negligence. B. Subordination. C. Frequent absences and tardiness. D. Habitual drunkenness. B. Subordination.
24.
The number of PLEB in every legislative district. A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. A. 1. The number of PLEB in every legislative district. A. 1.
25.
B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. D. Rape.
26.
The orderly and organized physical movement of elements or units of the PNP within the province, city, or municipality for purposes of employment. A. Operational supervision and control. B. Employment. C. Deployment. D. Supervision. C. Deployment.
27.
The branch of government that enforces, executes laws. A. Legislative. B. Executive. C. Judiciary. D. Executioner. B. Executive.
28.
The one referring to a natural person. A. Police. B. Politia. C. Politia. D. Policeman. D. Policeman.
29.
The concept concerning police service, which states that the public look at policemen as more effective if they conduct numerous arrests and place behind bars what they have arrested. A. Dinosauric concept. B. Neophyte concept. C. Old concept. D. Modern concept. C. Old concept.
30.
The association of human beings to attain a specific goal or objective. A. Authority. B. Delegation of authority. C. Organize. D. Organization. D. Organization.
31.
The one that does not belong to the group. A. Planning. B. Delegation of authority. C. Staffing. D. Organizing. B. Delegation of authority.
32.
The act of directing or conducting the affairs or interest of various units. A. Manage. B. Police management. C. Police administration. D. Police power. A. Manage.
33.
The various units of a police organization are the following except A. Functional units. B. Line units. C. Geographical. D. Police units. D. Police units.
34.
The line of streets designated for patrol purposes. A. Post. B. Route. C. Beat. D. Sector. B. Route.
35.
The area containing two or more beats, routes, or posts. A. Post. B. Route. C. Beat. D. Section. D. Section.
36.
The act of improving the ability required in the future job. A. Selection. B. Development. C. Appraisal. D. Training. B. Development.
37.
The set of activities and processes used to legally obtain a sufficient number of the right people for specific positions. A. Selection. B. Appointment. C. Recruitment. D. Training. C. Recruitment.
38.
The ruler of the districts in the preceding question. A. Shire. B. Reeve. C. Shire Reeve. D. Governor. B. Reeve.
39.
The one who introduced the system of watch and ward. A. Statute of Winchester. B. Statute of 1295. C. Chamber of Court. D. Justice of Peace. A. Statute of Winchester.
40.
The forerunner of the word town. A. Tom. B. Tan. C. Tun. D. Tum. C. Tun.
41.
The superior must manage a number of persons that he can effectively control. A. Unity of objective. B. Scalar principle. C. Span of control. D. Ranking rule. C. Span of control.
42.
What is the visual representation of a company's internal structure? A. Organizational chart. B. Organizational structure. C. Organization. D. PNP organizational chart. A. Organizational chart.
43.
PMAJ David, the Chief of Police of Makati City, assigns part of his authority and some of his functions to his deputy. Which action is performed? A. Unity of command. B. Delegated authority. C. Chain of command. D. Departmental policies. B. Delegated authority.
44.
Which principle defines an unbroken chain of units emanating from top to bottom manifesting flow of authority? A. Ethical doctrine. B. Scalar principle. C. Unchained authority. D. Delegation principle. B. Scalar principle.
45.
A police officer with a supervisory responsibility over the police officers of lower ranks is a underscore. A. Manager. B. Boss. C. Superior. D. Commander. C. Superior.
46.
For patrol purposes, what is the geographical subdivision of a municipality or city? A. Bureau. B. Section. C. District. D. Department. C. District.
47.
The ex officio, member of NAPOLCOM. A. Chief PNP. B. President. C. Secretary of DILG. D. Secretary of PNP. A. Chief PNP.
48.
Is a system in which members of an organization or society are ranked according to relative status or authority. A. Chain of command. B. Command of responsibility. C. Hierarchy. D. Span of control. C. Hierarchy.
49.
What occur when the structure of an organization is divided into different units concentrating on specific tasks to perform in order to become expert on a certain skill? A. Knowledgeable. B. Focus. C. Specialization. D. Effectiveness. C. Specialization.
50.
The operational supervision and control over the PNP assigned at cities and municipalities is a power of the A. Congress. B. Department of Interior and Local Government. C. Local Government Executives. D. National Police Commission. C. Local Government Executives.
51.
In times of national emergency, the PNP, the BFP, and the BJMP shall, upon the direction of the underscore, assist the armed forces in meeting the national emergency. A. Congress. B. President. C. DILG Secretary. D. Local government executives. B. President.
52.
This involves communicating progress, outcomes, and performance metrics to stakeholders within the organization. A. Staffing. B. Reporting. C. Planning. D. Budgeting. B. Reporting.
53.
Which will happen to PNP members who were appointed under waiver who failed to comply with the specific requirements. A. They will be reinstated. B. They will be dismissed. C. They will be disqualified. D. They will be failed. B. They will be dismissed.
54.
What function is one that directly advances an organization in its core work? A. Line. B. Supervision. C. Management. D. Staff. A. Line.
55.
Which of the following is a premium institution shall be responsible for the mandatory and leadership trainings of all police non-commissioned officers PNCOs? A. PNPA. B. NAPOLCOM. C. NPTI. D. PPSC. C. NPTI.
56.
The vertical hierarchy of organization and the unbroken chain of command from top to bottom must be observed. A. Unity of objective. B. Scalar principle. C. Span of control. D. Next in rank rule. B. Scalar principle.
57.
The appointing authority must prioritize the selection of next in rank in filling up a vacant position. A. Unity of objective. B. Scalar principle. C. Span of control. D. Next in rank rule. D. Next in rank rule.
58.
The National Police Commission must consider the efficient and optimized delivery of police services to the communities as one of the criteria in reorganizing the PNP. This statement is A. Partially true. B. Absolutely true. C. Absolutely false. D. Partially false. B. Absolutely true.
59.
The power of the President to call out all armed forces to prevent or suppress lawless violence, invasion, or rebellion. A. Visiting power. B. Suppression power. C. Invasion power. D. Calling out power. D. Calling out power.
60.
The Chairman of National Police Commission. NAPOLCOM. A. Secretary of DND. B. Secretary of DA. C. Secretary of DILG. D. Secretary of PNP. C. Secretary of DILG.
61.
The minimum number of women to compose the NAPOLCOM. A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. A1.
62.
The meaning of the term ex officio, an accompanying office by virtue of a current position. B. At its own instance. C. Held by 2 or more persons. D. Headed by only one person. A. An accompanying office by virtue of a current position.
63.
The numbers of all members of NAPOLCOM A. 1, B. 5, C. 6, D. 4. D. 4.
64.
The number of all ex officio members of NAPOLCOM A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. A. 1.
65.
The qualifications of the regular member of the NAPOLCOM coming from the law enforcement sector are the following except A. He or she is a citizen of the Philippines. B. Of legal age. C. Should have a rank of at least inspector. D. Should have practical experience in law enforcement work for at least 5 years. C. Should have a rank of at least inspector.
66.
A PNP uniformed personnel who has been relieved for just cause and has not been given an assignment within underscore after such relief shall be retired or separated. A. 1 years. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 4 years. B. 2 years.
67.
How many days shall a member of the PNP who committed grave felonies with an imposed penalty of 6 years and 1 day or more shall be suspended from office from the day of arraignment? A. Not exceeding 30 days. B. Not exceeding 60 days. C. Not exceeding 90 days. D. Not exceeding 120 days. C. Not exceeding 90 days.
68.
Which directorate determines the quota distribution to pros and selected NSUS for approval of the Chief, PNP, and NAPOLCOM, A. DPRM, B. DPCR, C. DIDM, D. DHRDD. A. DPRM.
69.
What law gives the PNP the responsibilities in the supervision, control and training, and operations of security agencies and in the issuance of license to operate and the license to practice the security profession? A. RA 6975. B. RA 9263. CRA 10575. D. RA 9208. A. RA 6975.
70.
How many deputies are assigned to the Chief PNP to assist him in the performance of duties and responsibilities? A. 5. B. 3. C. 2. D. 4. C. 2.
71.
What division provide technical assistance to all PNP units in the evaluation of the intelligence in their respective personnel? A. Records. B. Supply. C. Data. DIT. DIT.
72.
What is the administrative support unit of the PNP that is responsible to conduct investigation and evaluates physical evidences related to the medical, biological, and chemical? A. CIDGB Internal Affairs. C. SOCO. DCDI. C. SOCO.
73.
Which is the nature of appointment of police officer appointed under a waiver program? A. Casual. B. Regular. C. Permanent. D. Temporary. D. Temporary.
74.
This refers to the period of time that has elapsed since the oath of office was administered. Previous active services may be included or added. A. Government service record. B. Personal record. C. Time and grade. D. Length of service in the PNP. D. Length of service in the PNP.
75.
What is the process in the PNP application processing system that removes undesirable and unqualified applicants? A. Appraisal. B. Recruitment. C. Training. D. Selection. D. Selection.
76.
Decisions from the PLEB involving demotion or dismissal from the service are appealable to A. Court of Appeals. B. National Appellate Board of the NAPOLCOM. C. Regional Appellate Board of the NAPOLCOM. D. People's Law Enforcement Board PLEB. C. Regional Appellate Board of the NAPOLCOM.
77.
Which test or examination shall determine whether or not PNP applicants are in good health and free from any contagious disease? A. Physical and agility. B. Physical, medical, and dental. C. Initial screening. D. Neuropsychiatric. B. Physical, medical, and dental.
78.
What award will be given to INSP Jose after rescuing a 12-year-old girl held hostage in Quezon City bus station, but unfortunately he was shot by the hostage taker and died while in the hospital? A. Honesty. B. Posthumous. C. Police service. D. Meritorious service. B. Posthumous.
79.
Upon accumulation of 20 years of active service and a PNP officer decides to retire, what type of separation he will be applying for? A. Official. B. Optional. C. Permanent. D. Temporary. B. Optional.
80.
When you go to PNP and CRAME, what is meant by R1? A. Regional Records Management. B. Records Management. C. Personnel Management. D. Regional Personnel and Records Management. D. Regional Personnel and Records Management.
81.
Which agency assists local and international law enforcement agencies in securing the tranquility of the state against foreigners whose presence or stay may be deemed threats to national security, public safety, public morals, and public health? A. Department of Justice. B. Bureau of Customs. C. Bureau of Immigration. D. DOH. C. Bureau of Immigration.
82.
This agency is in charge to establish and prescribe plans, policies, programs, and projects to promote peace and order, ensure public safety, and further strengthen the administrative, technical, and fiscal capabilities of local government offices and personnel. A. DILG. B. PNP. C. NAPOLCOM. D. DNDs. A. DILG.
83.
The agency tasked to enforce regulations in accordance with all relevant maritime international conventions, treaties or instruments, and national laws for the promotion of safety of life property at sea within the maritime jurisdiction of the Philippines, and conduct port state control implementation. A. Philippine Navy. B. PNP Maritime Group. C. PCG. D. BFAR. C. Philippine Coast Guard.
84.
It acts as a national clearinghouse of criminal records and other related information for the benefit of the government. A. NBI, B. PNP, C. NICA, D. PDEA. ANBI.
85.
In cases where jurisdiction is vested exclusively and/or primarily with the PNP or other law enforcement agency, investigating agency, the NBI shall underscore: A. Take cognizance, and the jurisdiction shall be transferred. B. Collaborate with and render assistance to the same. C. Not render assistance as it violates the exclusive jurisdiction of other agencies. D. Give assistance if other agencies are outnumbered. B. Collaborate with and render assistance to the same.
86.
In coordination with Philippine Postal Office and the Bureau of Customs, this agency inspects all air cargo packages, parcels and mails in the Central Post Office, which appear to be a possible importation of dangerous drugs and/or controlled precursors and essential chemicals through online or cyber shops via the Internet or cyberspace. A. NBI, B. PNP, C. PDEA, D. DDB. CPDEA.
87.
The policy-making and strategy formulating body in the planning and formulation of policies and programs on drug prevention and control. A. DDB, B. PDEA, C. PNPDEG, D. NBI. A. DDB.
88.
Which is not a channel of global bilateral and multilateral international cooperation against transnational crime. A. European multilateral cooperation via Europol. B. Bilateral cooperation agreement between states. C. Global multilateral cooperation via Interpol. D. International lateral cooperation via the PNP. D. International lateral cooperation via the PNP.
89.
A regulatory agency under the Department of Health that is mandated to ensure the safety, efficacy, or quality of health products. A. Bureau of Food and Drug Administration. B. Food and Drug Administration. C. National Nutrition Council. D. Philippine Health Insurance Corporation. B. Food and Drug Administration.
90.
Natural calamities and man-made incidents are two types of critical incidents. The NDRRMC acts as primary agency responsible for the former while underscore for latter. A. NPOC, B. PNP, C. BFP, D. AFP. A. NPOC.
91.
The relationship between the NAPOLCOM and DILG. A. The DILG shall be an agency attached to the NAPOLCOM for administrative supervision. B. The NAPOLCOM shall be an agency attached to the DILG for administrative supervision. C. The DILG shall be an agency attached to the NAPOLCOM for policy and program coordination. D. The NAPOLCOM shall be an agency attached to the DILG for policy and program coordination. The correct answer is D.
92.
The National Appellate Board and Regional Appellate Board are known as A. PNP Legal Service, B. Administrative Boards, C. Disciplinary Appellate Board, D. NAPOLCOM Boards. C. Disciplinary Appellate Board.
93.
The correct statement regarding PLEBA. The meaning of PLEB is People's Law Enforcement Board. PLEB is composed by personnel from PNP and AFP. PLEB is one of the disciplinary appellate machineries of the NAPOLCOM D. PLEB and IAS are the same. A. The meaning of PLEB is People's Law Enforcement Board.
94.
The staff service of the NAPOLCOM that provides the Commission with efficient and effective service as legal counsel of the Commission. A. The Planning and Research Service. B. The Crime Prevention and Coordination Service. C. The Legal Affairs Service. D. The Personnel and Administration Service. C. The Legal Affairs Service.
95.
The staff service of the NAPOLCOM that undertake criminology researches and studies. Formulate a national crime prevention plan. A. The Planning and Research Service. B. The Legal Affairs Service. C. The Personnel and Administrative Service. D. The Crime Prevention and Coordination Service. D. The Crime Prevention and Coordination Service.
96.
The premier educational institution for the training, human resource development, and continuing education of all personnel of the PNP. A. Philippine National Police Academy. B. Philippine Public Safety College. C. Philippine College of Public Safety. D. Philippine Safety College. B. Philippine Public Safety College.
97.
The initial rank of a PNPA graduate. A. PEMS. B. PCMS. C. PLT. D. PSMS. C. PLT.
98.
The following are the administrative support units of PNP except A. Crime Laboratory. B. Legal Service. C. Training Service. D. Chaplain Service. A. Crime Laboratory.
99.
The fundamental concept concerning police service, which states that policemen are considered as servants of the community. A. Home Rule Theory. C. Policing Theory. B. Continental Theory. D. Evolution Theory. A. Home Rule Theory.
100.
The concept concerning police service, which states that the public look at policemen as more effective if they conduct numerous arrests and place behind bars what they have arrested. A. Modern concept. B. Dinosauric concept. C. Old concept. D. Neophyte concept. C. Old concept.
Comment your score. Study smarter, not harder. Subscribe for free reviewer.